How to fix Windows 11 update error code. Some updates files are not signed correctly in Windows 11 and Windows 10. This Windows update error code having error code appeared in both Windows 10 and 11, and to fix this issue the first workaround is go to Windows settings, under system settings, go to troubleshoot and run other troubleshooters and run the Windows update troubleshoot. Click on run button and let the window complete the troubleshooting process. Wait for some time. It will not only detect the issues, resolve them accordingly. Thereafter, in same windows, go to on network and internet and disable proxy server. Go to proxy, choose setup and turn the toggle button off against use a proxy server. Disable it and press save. Check your date and time settings is correct. It should be correct. So go to time and language from Windows settings. Here choose date and time. And if you set time automatically, simply disable it first for making change. And click on change button against set the date and time manually. Click on change and change your date and time correct. And click on change option. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here execute services.msc to open services windows. In services windows, look for background intelligence transfer service. Right click on it or double click on it and set a startup type as automatic and services status start. Background intelligence transfer service will start now. Press apply and then OK to save the changes. Also in the same window, go to Windows Update Services and right click on it. It should be first check it is start or not. If it is auto start mode, right click on it and choose restart. Restart Windows Update Services to fix the issue. The next workaround to fix this issue is scan your system. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And here execute first DISM tool for scan health, check health and restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one in command prompt windows followed by enter key on each times and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Thereafter run SFC scan now to check any corrupted files in your system. Press enter and this process will take some times, so wait till 100% completion of verification and check whether your error Windows update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again launch run command box and type msconfig to open system configuration windows. Here choose first under general tab selective startup and disable load startup items. Thereafter go to services tab. Here make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and choose disable all. Thereafter go to startup tab, open task manager and here look for all the startup apps enabled. Right click on it and choose disabled. One by one disable it for all the enabled startup apps. Once finishes, close the windows and restart your Windows 10, Windows 11 system to save the changes, and your Windows Update error code will definitely resolve. That's all.